how loud the WR11 is downstairs?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ford County in east central Illinois, southern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southern Livingston County in central Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Herscher to Lexington and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
Hey Schreier,
damage and power
radios downstairs are going off for something
Severe
else.
thunderstorms will be near Forest and Cullum around 10:20 p.m. Chatsworth around 10:25 p.m. Piper City around 10:30 p.m. Gilman and Gibson City around 10:40 p.m. Onarket around 10:45 p.m. Buckley around 10:50 p.m. Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 289. Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 195. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A severe thunder